Hello and welcome to Thursdays with Annette. I'm in the kitchen. Where else would I be on a Thursday? And I'm going to make you a fabulous potato salad. If you've never had this before, you need to take attention. Is that a book 6? Yes. Bacon, egg, potato salad. Look at that picture. It's fabulous. It is a classic recipe from the cookbook. I'm making it out of book 6, okay, and it serves 8 people, but it actually is also in more cooking for 1 or 2, and it's enough for just 2. I know. So this is great for me and Billy because sometimes you don't want a salad that serves 8 when there's only 2 of you, but for a party and barbecues, definitely the book 6 is the way to go. Or you just multiply book 2, the more cooking for 1 or 2 to how many you need. All right, so let's look at the ingredients we need. Okay, so we're going to start with some spuds. And I am going to actually cook them, do them straight up, all right? So you've got 1 kilo of new potatoes. And I'll tell you about all this stuff in a minute because I want to get this in the microwave, okay? So you want 1 kilo of new potatoes, cut them in quarters because we like them chunky. If they're very big, like these are the perfect size, if they are really big, then cut them into 6. But you want to try and, if you can, keep them similar size so they cook evenly. And you're going to microwave them for 15 minutes on high with a little bit of water. And then you rinse them off and cool them, and then you can finish off this amazing salad. I mean, when you say the words bacon, you had me at hello. Eggs, hello. Potato, 3 things that are a marriage made in heaven as a salad. All right, so there are my spuds. New potatoes. If you can't get new potatoes, then just get the older potatoes, but wash them really well, okay? I'm going to put some water in. And as I said, microwave on high for 15. So that's done. 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. All right, so now we can talk about everything else. So the ingredients we're going to make with this salad, of course, we have bacon, we have eggs. So it's 150 grams of the bacon shortcut. Look at that. All the meat, not the fat. That's why it's so healthy. And the whole dish per serve is 6.1 grams of fat, even with egg and bacon in it. And funny enough, I don't know why, but I think it changed a little bit when I did the more cooking because it's only 4 grams of fat in the more cooking. So hello. We want red onion, Spanish onion, don't know what you call it, but we want 1/2 cup finely diced. I've got my eggs boiled already, so you want 3 hard-boiled eggs peeled. I've got some parsley, I'm going to chop that up. I want 2 tablespoons. I want 1/2 teaspoon of garlic. Now, in the recipe it says 97% fat-free mayo. They stopped making it. Don't you love it? And now it's 99% fat-free, so it's even better, people. So this is the one I want, the praise, 99% fat-free, okay? So that's the one that you use for this recipe. I'm also going to put in this here, which brings it alive, and it's the whole grain mustard. So it's all the little seedy ones. It's fabulous. So we're going to make all this together. So what I'm going to do first, oh, can I just chop up my bacon and we can talk? All right, so you want diced bacon. I might use the bigger knife. Diced bacon. And I'm going to cook it up first. Let me get my pan on. This is 150 grams, what I've got here. And I just think the bacon goes really well with this salad. It's my family's favourite. That and the Asian salad, they're their real loves. Okay, so we're going to cook the bacon, and I can be prepping the stuff as we go. Hello. Going to use the rice bran spray in my Neoflam pan. Good to go. And then we're just going to fry the bacon. I'm just going to break that up. Got that sizzle happening. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to prep everything up, and then we're going to put it all together, alrighty? So I'll get these over here. I might wash them. So I've got them for chopping the other veggies. And I'm just going to turn my watermelon chopping board, hello, simplytoogood.com.au. Now, look, while this is cooking, before I start chopping, you've heard the news, haven't you? If you haven't, where have you been? I'm running an event. First in years, people. Even before COVID, it was years. So it's happening on the 20th of May at Marucci Aracel. It's called Saturday with Annette because, you know what, I like Thursdays with Annette, but why not let's do a Saturday? Now, I want you to come and spend the day with me. Like, I'm sick of you looking at me through a lens. Come meet me, give me a hug, we get selfies, it'll be fabulous. But what's the purpose to this day? It is to excite you and motivate you about your health and well-being. It's about learning tools and things to support you on your weight loss journey. Say goodbye to those extra kilos and hello to slimming success. And it's just going to be fantastic. I'm also going to be cooking. Of course I'm going to cook. Oh yes. I'll be cooking on stage because, hello, I've got to do that. And talking about cooking and health and how to balance things, like, do you know what is the right serves to have? I'm going to teach you all this on the Saturday. And I want you to really learn how to focus and believe in yourself and motivate what you need to do to get to your goal weight. And look, there's opportunities there for me to sign your books. As I said, we'll get selfies. Look, there's so much to enjoy about the day, but what it's about is you and getting you healthy and fabulous. So go to simplytoogood.com.au/events to find out more. Oh yes, all happening, people. All right, so bacon is frying away beautifully. Let's chop up the onion. I want half a cup. Red, Spanish, what do you call it? I call it, what do you call it, Bill? I call it red onion. You call it Spanish. See, he's older than me by about 6 months, and that shows. I want this to be fine diced. Let me just keep my bacon cooking. Oh, it's sizzling away beautifully here. Okay, we want half a cup, and I'm just going to do it quite fine. If you don't have the red onion, you could always just use normal onion, or you could even do shallots if you really wanted. I like the purple in it, but I'll leave that to you. All right. Oh, look at that bacon. Nearly done. All right, so we want half a cup of red onion, or Spanish if you want to call it that. So this is a salad that there's no word boring when it comes to this salad, okay? So I'm going to put this in the bowl because this is what we're going to prep all up. Now, my bacon is done. I might just put it over in this bowl to let it cool. Fantastic. All right, bacon's cooked, soak in my soapy sink. Let's get rid of this. I've just got to chop up the parsley now. And just know we do the eggs at the end, all right? So I just want 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley. And it's lovely with the parsley in it. I mean, it's potato salad. I mean, I've never done it with mint. But for this one, I just like the parsley. Give it a really good chop. And as you've seen, what I did is I started the potatoes first because they take longer than anything else. I'm going to get the potato and drain it and rinse it because I want the starch off with cold water, and it will be then ready shortly after to add all together. All right, we want 2 tablespoons of parsley. 1, 2. Okay. Now we're also going to make the dressing. Oh my gosh, this is such a great recipe, isn't it? We want 1/2 cup of the low fat or 99% mayonnaise, not fat mayonnaise. There we go. There we go, that's perfect. I'm going to put in 1/2 teaspoon of garlic because it just helps give the flavours. And that's what you want with salad, don't you? You know, don't be boring with your just lettuce, tomato and cucumber. I have so many salad recipes in my books. Please, you need to really get excited about some of them because salad can be your friend. So we want 1, 2. And then I'm just going to mix that all up. Actually, I might whisk it. I wonder what I'll cook at the retreat, the workshop day. Any suggestions? What would you love to see me cook live? Oh my gosh, can you tell me? Because out of 9 books, it's hard to pick recipes for the day. Look at that, there's our dressing done. Now I'm going to, while we're just waiting, I'm going to chop up the onion, eggs into quarters. I mean, they will break up in the salad because it's just what it does, but that's okay. All right, so now when you look at it all, let's just do a recap. We've done the onion, we've done the parsley, we've chopped the eggs, we've cooked the bacon, made the dressing, taties are cooking. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to clean all this up. When those potatoes are cooked, I'm going to come back and we're going to put it all together. Isn't it fantastic? The magic of time. So I'm going to see you shortly and we'll finish it off. All right, we're back. I'm going to put some gloves on because I'm going to mix up this salad and I just find it easier. I know I'm a little precious, aren't I? So the potatoes are cooked. They actually were cooked in that 15 minutes that I did, and then I've just washed and drained them and, you know, cold water on them. So let's do it. We've got the onion in and the parsley. Let's put in our cooked potatoes. Whoops. I'm going to put some pepper in now, seeing as it fell down. The bacon. Remember, I'm going to do the eggs at the end. So let's just combine them together right now. Let me just put this under the bowl. It's a bit noisy. There we go. All right, so we're mixing in the parsley, the onion and the potato. And this is why you just want the potato to be just cooked, because that way you're just not going to have mashed potato. It's going to hold well. But there's nothing worse than raw. Like, you know, you just want to be able to squeeze it and feel that it's cooked through. All right, so now in goes the dressing that we made before, which was the seeded mustard, the garlic, and the mayo. So it's just an easy dressing, but banging with flavour, I'm telling you. And remember, this is in book 6, which also has a 28-day masterclass for weight loss. So it's why it's such a big book. All right, in we go again, just coating. And this is enough for 8 serves, or if you wanted to, you could make the smaller version for just 2, which is what we often make. There we go. Right, so that's mixed all in really well. Now what I do, this is what I do, you can put the eggs in now if you want and mix it again, but I like to actually present it nicer. So I now will put the potato on a platter. There we go. And then I just make sure that everyone has got some bacon and dressing on it. So that could do with a bit of bacon there. And now I'll take my gloves off and I just place in the eggs. Just move them around, position them in. There we go. How fabulous. I mean, seriously, who knew weight loss could be so deliciously healthy with a bacon, egg, potato salad? Doesn't get any better. All right, so don't be whinging about lettuce, tomato, cucumber, people. You've got this amazing recipe to enjoy. So there it is. Oh my gosh, it is such a fabulous potato salad. So don't forget, if you want to win a book or 2 books, yes, I know I'm being very generous at the moment, don't know how long it'll last for, you can win book 6 as well as the latest book, More Cooking for 2, both of them personally signed to you. All you have to do is like, share, and then in the comments, hashtag Simply Too Good, and I'll pick 3 people that will get a personally signed copy. I know. Now, if you want to know about next week's show, because I'll be back again next Thursday, that's for sure, I'm going to be making what I call a really simple version of a cheesecake. Did I get you interested? Can I say it again? Cheesecake? I know. It's sunshine pie out of book 2. Simple, simple, simple. Remember, that's my theme for this year. Simple, easy, fabulous, and I'll be making that dessert for you next week. Now, don't forget, go check out the event. That's right, Saturday with Annette's happening 20th of May. Go to simplydogood.com.au/events to find out more. Love to meet you. Alrighty, well, there's the salad done. Yes, boom, another fabulous Thursday done and dusted. See you next time. Bye.